Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're into content creation, video editing, or just love experimenting with the latest tech, then you're going to love what I've got for you today. Imagine having an AI tool that doesn't just tweak your video quality, but literally transforms it. From sharpening blurry footage to enhancing dull audio, this tool is designed to take your content to the next level effortlessly. I'm talking about UniFab AI, an advanced video and audio enhancer that uses artificial intelligence to deliver crystal clear visuals and powerful sound in just a few clicks. In today's video, I'll walk you through its features, show you how it works in real time, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your workflow. So, whether you're editing YouTube videos, short films, or just want to level up your media quality, stick around, because this could be a total game changer. Now, let's get started. Simply download and install. It's that easy. As soon as you install it, you'll see an interface like this: clean, simple, and easy to navigate. After installing, you'll see this simple interface. Under Video Tools, you get a converter, compressor, TV show converter, and subtitle generator. In Video AI, you'll find tools like Upscaler, HDR Up Converter, Smoother, Face Enhancer, Colorizer, and Background Remover. And in Other AI, there's Denoiser, Deinterlacer, and Stabilizer to clean up and improve your videos. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll click on the Upscaler to see how it works. Now I'll select the video from my computer to test the Upscaler. As you can see, there are several resolution options available here. You can choose how much you want to upscale your video. We also have the speed optimized mode for quicker results. Now let's pick an output format. You've got options like MP4, MKV, or MOV. I'll go with your choice for this one. We also have video quality settings here. You can choose between standard and high quality depending on your needs. Next, I'll choose the folder where I want the final video to be saved. Everything's ready. Just hitting start now to begin the upscaling process. The upscaling process has started. Depending on the video size and settings, it may take a few minutes. Alright, it's done. Let's hit play and check out the final result. Here's a quick comparison. On the left is the original, and on the right is what UniFab's AI was able to do. You can really see the difference in sharpness and detail. Alright, next up is the face enhancer. Let's see how well it can improve faces in the video. Let me load a video from my computer. If you look closely, the face in this clip is a bit blurry and lacks detail. The interface is familiar. We've got resolution options, format selection like MP4 or MKV, quality settings, and of course, the output folder. Everything's ready. I'll hit start and we'll see how well it improves the face in this video. The enhancement is complete. Now let's play the video and see how much clearer the face looks. The face now looks smoother, cleaner, and more focused, a big upgrade from the original. Alright, time to try the background remover. Let's see how well it can cut out the background automatically. I've uploaded a video where the background is green, the kids are playing on the grass, and we'll see how well the AI removes it. Here we have some background options, green, blue, black, and white. I'm going to select white for this one. Everything's ready, so let's hit start and see how the background gets replaced with white. Alright, it's finished. The green grass is gone, and now we've got a clean white background. It looks pretty good. I'm genuinely impressed by how well UniFab AI handles everything, from upscaling and face enhancement to background removal, all with just a few clicks. And that's a wrap. UniFab AI really surprised me with how easy it is to use and how well it improves video quality. From face enhancement to background removal, it handled everything with just a few clicks. If you're into content creation, or just want to make your videos look better without much effort, this tool is definitely worth checking out. I've added the download link in the description below. Feel free to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.